AI is not just for fun anymore. It's making people serious money. While most people are only using ChatGPT to write essays, some smart hustlers are using it to make $100 a day or more. And today, I'll show you 5 AI-powered hustles you can start right now in 2025, even if you're starting with zero experience. So grab a pen because one of these hustles could be your ticket to financial freedom. Number 1 is AI content writing. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are filled with people looking for articles, blog posts, ebooks, and even product descriptions. Instead of writing everything manually, you can use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to generate high-quality content in minutes. Here's how you do it. 1. Sign up on a freelancing site. 2. Create a profile offering content writing services. 3. Use AI to draft the content, then polish it with your own touch. The best part? A single 1,000-word article can earn you between $20 to $100. Do just 2 or 3 in a day, and you've already hit your $100 target. Number 2, YouTube automation. You don't need to show your face to make money on YouTube anymore. With AI tools, you can create entire channels anonymously. Here's the formula. Use ChatGPT to write your video script. Use an AI voiceover tool like 11 Labs or Murph AI to narrate. Create visuals using Pictory, Canva, or stock footage. Monetization kicks in once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But even before that, you can earn money by adding affiliate links in your descriptions. Imagine making passive income from videos you never even appear in. Number 3 is AI graphic design. Not everyone is a designer, but with tools like Canva AI, Midjourney, and DALL-E, you don't need to be. You can design logos for businesses, social media posts, thumbnails for YouTubers, ebook covers. A single logo on Fiverr can go for $20 to $200. If you build a portfolio and market yourself, this can easily become a full-time gig powered by AI. Number 4, AI tutoring and courses. People are willing to pay to learn quickly. You can use AI to create step-by-step guides, mini courses, and even ebooks. For example, use ChatGPT to generate a structured outline. Add explanations, examples, and real-life tips. Record short lessons or create a PDF. Sell your course on Udemy, Skillshare, or Gumroad. Even a simple $10 course that gets 20 buyers a day equals $200. That's the power of digital products. You make it once, and it sells over and over. And finally, AI social media management. Every business needs content, captions, and ads to stay alive online. But most business owners don't have the time or creativity for it. That's where you come in. You can use AI to generate captions in seconds, plan weekly content calendars, create graphics or reels using AI tools. Charge small businesses anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per month to handle their social media. Even with just 3 to 5 clients, you could easily hit $100 per day or more. So there you have it. 5 AI hustles that can make you $100 a day in 2025. From writing, to YouTube, to design, to courses, and even social media, there's something here for everyone. Remember, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to make you money, if you know how to use it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment telling me which hustle you'll try first, and don't forget to subscribe to Hustle IQ because I'll be sharing more faceless hustle secrets every single week.